Hey guys, welcome to Hat Workshop, and today I'm gonna be using my Invisalign trays that I used for my teeth alignment, and these are my first trays. So I would like to keep a record of my first one and my last one to see the change in my teeth. So how we're gonna be doing that is using this molding material. So it's air dry and it's easy to use, so that's why I'm using it. So let's jump right into it, and time-lapse time. So it's been a day since I finished it, and now it's half dry, so I quickly took it out before it's too hard and it would crack when I take it out. And I really like the details that came out in the air dry clay, even though there are some overhangs that I just need to get rid of when it's completely dry. And some of them are cracked, so I can just glue them with precision contact cement later. So let's just wait for it to dry the rest of the way, and I'll come back and see what we can do next. So now the glue is dry, and I think it's strong enough now that I can paint the primer on. I'm doing this since there's like the gap between the glue, so I'm just gonna paint over it and I'll think it look better. So before that, I'm just gonna knock out some of the overhangs and edges so that it looks better. So you'll see it when the primer is done. So I have finished spraying on the white primer, and I also sprayed on the clear gloss finish. So I like that it didn't turn out too glossy like the other ones did, such as my Nerf gun, but it actually turned out kind of in between. So I really like that. So in conclusion, my teeth prints are pretty nice actually, but they won't be as good as the dentist prints because they have like better tools and computer graph modelings and stuff. But I think it's okay if a customer wanted to compare the teeth before and after. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see the after one, since I'm gonna be making that and posting it on Instagram only. So I think that's it for my video, and I'll see you next time at Hat Workshop.